Imagine what it would take to produce a bomber aircraft every 63 minutes. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? Yet, during the throes of World War II, a factory named Willow Run did just that. This was no ordinary factory, but a marvel of industrial engineering where the impossible became the routine. At the heart of this miracle was a man named Charlie Sorensen. A visionary in his own right, Sorensen was the architect of this grand production scheme. He once confidently stated, "I have worked out a plan whereby I believe we could build one bomber an hour." His ambitious goal was met with skepticism, but Sorensen remained undeterred. He worked relentlessly, revolutionizing production methods and pioneering techniques that laid the foundation for what we now know as Lean Six Sigma. His audacious plan wasn't just a pipe dream, it was a reality that would forever transform the world of manufacturing. And so, the production miracle began. What do you think was the secret behind this production marvel? The answer lies in efficiency. Willow Run's production miracle wasn't conjured out of thin air. No, it was a symphony of efficiency, a dance of productivity that was orchestrated to perfection. To truly appreciate this, let's delve into the principles of Lean Six Sigma, a methodology that, though not officially named at the time, was unknowingly applied at Willow Run. Lean Six Sigma is a strategy that focuses on improving efficiency and effectiveness. It champions the reduction of waste in a production process and the improvement of product quality. Now let's transport ourselves back to the early 1940s, to the bustling factory floors of Willow Run. Henry Ford, the man behind the production marvel, once said, "Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs." This nugget of wisdom resonates with the core principles of Lean Six Sigma. It's about breaking down a mammoth task into manageable parts, each part streamlined to reduce waste and increase efficiency. At Willow Run, this principle was applied with gusto. The complex task of manufacturing a bomber was not tackled as a whole but was divided, dissected, and simplified. Every part of the process, from the assembly of the smallest bolt to the final paint job, was meticulously planned and executed. Each worker had a specific role, a small job, contributing to the grand scheme of things. Imagine a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each piece, no matter how small, is crucial to the final picture. Similarly, the bomber production at Willow Run was a massive jigsaw puzzle, and efficiency was the guiding hand that put it all together. This approach revolutionized production. It proved that efficiency wasn't just about working faster or harder, it was about working smarter. It was about streamlining processes, reducing waste, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. This was the secret sauce that made Willow Run a production powerhouse. Dividing the complex task of manufacturing a bomber into smaller, manageable tasks was the key to this miracle. And it's a lesson we can all take to heart, in business and beyond. Now you might be wondering, what does a World War II production miracle have to do with our world today? Well, let me explain. The principles that were used at Willow Run, the dedication to efficiency and the relentless pursuit of improvement, have not been lost in the sands of time. Rather, they've evolved and adapted to our modern fast-paced world. These principles have been refined into a methodology known as Lean Six Sigma, a strategy that is used by businesses all over the world today. Lean Six Sigma borrows heavily from the playbook of Charlie Sorensen and Henry Ford. It champions the idea of reducing waste, improving quality, and increasing speed and efficiency, but it doesn't stop there. It also incorporates the concept of continuous improvement, a notion that there's always room for enhancement, no matter how efficient a process might seem. The Lean Six Sigma methodology isn't just about manufacturing anymore. It's used in healthcare, IT, finance, and countless other industries. It's a mindset, a way of thinking that prioritizes efficiency and improvement. It's a tool that helps businesses achieve their goals, but it's also a philosophy that encourages us to always strive for better. President Roosevelt once said, "We have always held to the hope, the belief, the conviction that there is a better life, a better world, beyond the horizon." This quote perfectly encapsulates the spirit of Lean Six Sigma. It's a methodology that not only aims to improve business processes, but also hopes to create a better world by promoting efficiency and reducing waste. So you see, the production miracle at Willow Run has left an enduring legacy. The principles that guided the manufacturing of thousands of bombers during a time of global crisis are still relevant today. They've been molded and shaped into a methodology that is making a difference in our world, one process at a time. The hope for a better, more efficient world is what drives Lean Six Sigma enthusiasts today. So, are you ready to become a part of this efficiency revolution? Imagine being able to cut down waste, streamline processes, and improve overall productivity in your work environment. That's the power of Lean Six Sigma, a methodology that has its roots in the production miracle at Willow Run, a testament to the ingenuity of Charlie Sorensen and the vision of Henry Ford. As the story goes, Sorensen, Ford's production chief, was credited with transforming Willow Run from a small operation into a bustling production powerhouse during World War II. He did this by implementing innovative production techniques, which would later form the foundation of Lean Six Sigma. Ford himself once said, "Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs." This simple yet profound statement encapsulates the essence of Lean Six Sigma. It's all about breaking down complex tasks into manageable parts, eliminating inefficiencies, and constantly striving for improvement. And it's not just limited to manufacturing. From healthcare to IT, from retail to education, Lean Six Sigma principles are being applied across industries, helping organizations to achieve better results with fewer resources. But don't just take our word for it. President Roosevelt once remarked, "The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today." So why not explore the limitless potential of Lean Six Sigma for yourself? The Priority Problem Solvers YouTube channel is your go-to resource for all things Lean Six Sigma. Here you'll find a wealth of insightful content from tutorials and case studies to expert interviews and much more. It's a place where industry leaders, efficiency enthusiasts, and curious minds come together to share knowledge, exchange ideas, and collaborate on solutions. So are you ready to take the first step towards a more efficient future? Are you ready to be part of a global movement that's transforming the way we work, the way we think, and the way we live? Subscribe to the Priority Problem Solvers YouTube channel, and together we can create a more efficient world.